we did problems on length of chord. So today we have one more important problem on length of chord. So we'll finish that and we'll go to the next topic. So the next problem is the line y is equal to mx plus c and the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square intersects at A and B. Then the condition is given here. AB is equal to 2 lambda. Show that c square is equal to 1 plus m square into a square minus lambda square. Okay. So here the line y is equal to mx plus c intersects a circle. That means this will draw a circle. Okay, this is a circle. The line y is equal to mx plus c intersects the circle at 2 points. So those 2 points are A and B. Now that means y is equal to mx plus c is nothing but the chord of a circle. Y is equal to mx plus c is nothing but a chord of a circle. X square plus y square is equal to a square. So what we do, first we write the equation of circle. X square plus y square is equal to a square. Now what is the center? Center is 0, 0 and r square is equal to a square. Then r value is a. So we have center and radius. Now AB is equal to 2 lambda. That means the length of chord AB is equal to 2 lambda means the length of chord AB is given as 2 lambda. So here length of chord is given to us. So what we do is we have radius and now we find out D. What is D? D is the perpendicular distance from center to the chord. So before finding D, we write equation of chord. Equation of chord. What is equation of chord? Y is equal to mx plus c. Equation of chord is y is equal to mx plus c. Rewrite the equation mx minus y plus c is equal to 0. Okay. So now from the equation, the a value is m, a value is n, b value is minus 1 and c value is c. So what is length of chord? It is mod of ax1 plus b by 1 plus c by under root of a square plus b square. So this is length of chord. Now this length of chord is given as 2 lambda. See, AB is equal to 2 lambda. AB is nothing but length of chord. So length of chord is 2 lambda. So don't equal to 2 lambda. First we will find out D. So D is equal to A value. What is A value? M into x1 is 0. B into y1 is 0. C value is C by under root of a square plus b square. Sorry, b value is minus 1. A square plus b square. See, I'll repeat. First we find out d value. D value is ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root of a square plus b square. A is m and x1 by1 is center. Okay, c is minus 1, x1 by1 is center. And what is c value? It is c. So it is plus c by under root of a square plus b square. Now we got the value of d. Just simplify this d. So d is equal to c by under root of m square plus 1. Okay, so d is equal to c by under root of m square plus 1. After getting d, now we will write given. What is given? Length of chord 2 into under root of r square minus d square is equal to 2 lambda. This is given to us. So 2 you can cancel. Square them on both sides. R square minus d square is equal to lambda square. After that we will substitute. R value is a. So a square minus d value. See, this is d. What is d? D is nothing but c by under root of m square plus 1. So d square will become c square by m square plus 1 is equal to lambda square. We substituted d value. When we square d, this will become c square by m square plus 1. Now what we will do is simplify this. A square into m square plus 1 minus c square by m square plus 1 is equal to lambda square. Here we took LCM. Now cross multiply the denominator. A square into m square plus 1 minus c square is equal to lambda square into m square plus 1. Now what we do is a square into m square plus 1, lambda square into m square plus 1. We bring together. That means transpose on the left side. A square into m square plus 1 minus lambda square into m square plus 1 is equal to c square. So now we can take m square plus 1 common. We can take m square plus 1 common. If we take m square plus 1 common, we get a square minus lambda square. A square minus lambda square is equal to c square. So it is proved. Okay, I'll just repeat this. See now, the line y is equal to mx plus c and the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square intersected a and b. Intersected a and b means y is equal to mx plus c is a chord to the circle. Now, and AB is equal to 2 lambda. That means length of chord is given as 2 lambda. So here we find out length of chord and equate to 2 lambda. So for finding length of chord we need center, radius and perpendicular distance. So center is 0, 0, radius is a, and d perpendicular distance we got it as cy under root of m square plus 1. Then after that what we have to do is length of chord 2 into under root of r square minus d square will equate to 2 lambda. Here if you square them on both sides, root gets eliminated. So r square minus d square is equal to lambda square. Then we will substitute the values of r and d. Then we will simplify, we will get the condition. Okay. So this problem is completed. Very, very important. So next is problems on chord is over now. So next is the condition for the line is a tangent to the circle is radius is equal to perpendicular distance. That means if a line is tangent to the circle, the condition is radius is equal to perpendicular distance. That means now if a line is tangent to the circle, now this is a circle. Tangent. What is a tangent? If a line touches the circle at one point, the line is a tangent. Now suppose if we draw some O to P, draw one perpendicular from O to P. This OP is called radius. The same OP, if we refer with respect to the tangent, the same OP, the same radius, if we refer with respect to the tangent, it is called perpendicular distance. OP is a radius. The same OP, if we refer with respect to a tangent which is touching at a point, then this is nothing but the perpendicular distance from center to the tangent. So that is called the perpendicular distance. So that means the distance is same. OP is radius. OP is also a perpendicular distance. That means if a line is tangent to the circle, then what is the condition? Radius is equal to perpendicular distance. That is it. The condition that the line is a tangent to the circle. If a line is tangent to the circle, you have to remember that radius is equal to perpendicular distance. Okay. Now we will do problem. So next problem. Find the equation of circle with center 2, 3 and touching the line 3x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. So here 3x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0 touches a circle. So what is this 3x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0 chord? It is nothing but a tangent. See here. Now this is circle. 3x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0 touches a circle. So it is a tangent. And what is the center they have given? Center is 2, 3. Okay. So here center is given, tangent is given. We have to find out equation of circle. To find equation of circle, we need center and radius. Okay. So already center is given to us. So now we find out radius. How to find the radius? Solution. The of line, equation of tangent, equation of line, both are same. So that is 3x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. So 3x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0 is tangent to the circle. So it is nothing but radius is equal to perpendicular distance. So radius is equal to perpendicular distance is ax1 plus by1 plus cy under root of a square plus b square. So r is equal to ABC values we take from the line and x1 y1 is a center. So it is 3 into 2 minus 4 into 3 plus 1 by under root of 3 square plus 4 square in mod. So r is equal to 6 minus 12 plus 1 by under root of 25 is 5. 9 plus 16, 25, root 25 is 5. So now what is r value again? So r value is r is equal to 6 minus 12 is minus 6. Minus 6 plus 1 is 5. So 5 by 5 is 1. So radius is 1. After getting the radius, now we will find out the equation of circle with center A comma B and radius r is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. Equation of circle with center A comma B and radius r is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. Now the center 2 comma 3 will substitute instead of a and b and r value is 1. So x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 1. Now we will expand this. X square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square minus 6y plus 9 minus 1 is equal to 0. The constant also we transform on the other side. Now what we get? X square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y. 4 plus 9, 13. 13 minus 1 is 12 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of circle. Find the equation of circle. Find the equation of circle with center minus 3 comma 4 and touching y axis. So here we have to find out equation of circle. Center is given to us. We have to find out equation of circle. Center is given to us. So we need radius so that we can find the equation of circle. So the condition to find the radius or the equation of circle is the equation of circle with center minus 3 comma 4 and touching y axis. Circle is touching y axis. Circle is touching y axis. So here circle is touching y axis means y axis is the tangent to the circle. Okay. So now here we need to find out the equation of y axis. We need to find out means we already know that what is equation of y axis. What is equation of y axis? X is equal to 0. So the equation of tangent. Equation of tangent touches y axis. Therefore, I will write the equation of tangent as x is equal to 0. Equation of tangent is x is equal to 0. From this equation, we have to find out ABC values. That means A value is coefficient of x. We don't have y term, so B value is 0 and we don't have a constant. C value is 0. Why we are finding ABC values? Because the line is tangent to the circle. If a line is tangent to the circle, the condition is radius is equal to perpendicular distance. So radius is equal to perpendicular distance is ax1 plus by1 plus cy under root of a square plus b square. This is r. So r is equal to ax1 1 into center is minus 3 comma 4. See, I write here. Center is minus 3 comma 4. So 1 into minus 3. Okay, 1 into minus 3. And b value is 0. C value is 0. 0 into anything is 0. So we left with 1 into minus 3 by under root of a square plus b square. Okay, a value 1, b value, a value is 1 and x1 is minus 3, and we don't have b and c as it is 0, we are not substituting. So what is radius we are getting? If you remove mod, r value is 3 units. After getting r, we will find out equation of circle. So how to find the equation of circle? The equation of circle is nothing but x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. X minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. So x minus a is the center, it is minus 3, center is minus 3 comma 4, plus y minus 4 whole square is equal to r square. R value is 3 square. So now we expand this, we get the equation of circle, that is x square plus 6x plus 9 plus y square minus 8y plus 60 minus 9 is equal to 0. So we rewrite this equation, we get x square plus y square plus 6x minus 8y plus 9 minus 9 cancels plus 16 is equal to 0. So what is the equation of circle? X square plus y square plus 6x minus 8y plus 16 is equal to 0. So this is completed.